Back at St. Louis. Today I'm going to be attempting to catch bluegill, sunfish, crappie, and then a bass. I've caught bass and a crappie. Actually, I caught a crappie here the other day. This is part one of a couple different locations in this video. Caught a crappie and I caught some trout. Not here, but I'll show you guys all that here in this video. So stay tuned. Going with a tiny bobber because that way they can actually take it down. Oh yeah. These worms are nice and lively too. Woo! I just want some nice fish. Take that bobber down. Go, go, go. Yep, there he is. Oh, he had him for a second. Wow, that was an aggressive hit. That was an aggressive hit. That was a decent fish. There it goes. Someone take it down. Take it all the way down right there. I don't care if you're small. Go. Probably stole my worm. Yep, my worm got stuck in the weeds. Come on. Is it too big of a bait, maybe? Too long a leader? Too short of leader? Oh, gotta take it down. All the way. I want that bobber down. There he is. There he is. Got him. Oh, through the weeds he popped off. Oh, he's still there. Yeah. A little tiny guy. There's fish one though. A little tiny guy. I'm gonna let him go right here. Let's try this again. Got him. Got him. He's small again. Real small. Tiny. Tiny guy. Back in. Let me get like over this way. This is awesome. That's 2 fish in no time. Oh, something hit that already. Something small is picking at it right now. To be able to see him attack it's pretty cool. Probably even shorter. Just barely beneath, maybe would be better. Keep it out of the weeds too. Probably a half decent fish. Take it down. Oh, we gotta take it down and run. There it goes. Got it. Oh, but yeah, he took him down. Oh, I gotta change the bait up. With this small of a bobber, I can't cast out too far. Get it. I'm gonna move it just a hair. Try some different water. Oh, that was right away. Hit the water and boom. Oh. That was a decent looking fish too. He got him. He got him. Whoa. He took that guy. That's a sunfish, I want to say. Nope, might be a bluegill. It's just small, so they don't look the same as a bigger one. Little boy right there, little guy. That one hit hard. Come on, baby, take it down and be a good fish. There it is. Oh, and he's a better fish. I don't think he's big, but he's a better fish. He just fought. He fought a little harder. From that, worm up the line, then you can use it a lot more. That was awesome. It bit hard. It fought hard. It's like they just turned on. All of a sudden, they're like wanting to attack. Like that one's down, and I just totally missed him. Oh my gosh. That one's down, and I got him. And that's a different fish. That's a bass. That's a bass right there, guys. It's like I was saying, the fish are just turning on all of a sudden. Look at that little bass right there, guys. I'm gonna put him back. Off he goes. If it goes down that hard again, then that means these fish are truly just fired up and eating right now, and it's going to be a free-for-all. Who can get to that bait? See, that one took it hard. There it is. Who can get to that bait and eat first? Oh, he popped off. Fine with me. Got him. And that's also a... What's a... It's a bluegill right there, actually. I got to watch that one hit. It's a little better. A little bluegill. Back in. Oh, there it is. And he's on. He's small. He's teeny tiny small. There he is. And I caught him. Oh, and he's best. One of the day? No. He's a little bigger though. No, he's not. Just a little bluegill. Boom. Getting out of here on time. That's a miracle. That was fun. I caught probably 8 or 9 fish, maybe 10 fish. You guys saw. Mostly bluegill, maybe a sunfish in there. A lot of activity out here, a lot of fish. Caught the one bass to go along with them, so that was fun. Here's a bite. Here's a fish. Here's a fish. He's a decent fish too. He's a bass. He's a little bass. Or no, he's not. He's a big old something here. He's a crappie. He's a crappie. Keeping him. I think that's a crappie. Look at that, guys. Woohoo! Let's go! Oh, there's fish. Right there. Nope, just on the retrieve. Am I on?
Yep.
Oh my gosh, guys. It feels good.
Sounds good.
Yeah. It was just on a slow retrieve in. Let it hit bottom. Retrieve slow. Oh, he's a pretty one, I think. Yeah. He's lip too.
Yep.
Hoover Rock. They are sitting in front of us. We just got to find out exactly what they're wanting.
Here's some fire.
Oh, he's nice. I think I'm going to slap him up.
No other option.
Thank you. Not a bad fish though. Woo! I'll trade you just for the slap up. I'll get him right up here. I'll let him tire out a little bit, so he's not going to shake me off or shake and break me. I missed him. Maybe he'll be back. He's back. He's back. There we go, got him. He's there. He's just swimming me in. He might be a small one. I don't. He's real small. Really small one. Oh, popped off. We'll let him go. There he goes. Boom. He's back. Oh my gosh. Look at him. He'll go. He'll go. There he goes. He's off. There he is. There he is. He was there. I think he was probably there the whole time. Stay up out of them weeds. Oh yeah. He feels big, but he's also in a bunch of weeds. Oh, he does feel good. But then again, like I said, when you're wrapped up in all the weeds, you really can't tell. Feels like he's getting some good head shakes. Oh, he's not bad. He's better than the last. No, he's small. He was in a lot of weeds. Oh, man. Let's go. Not quite what I'm looking for, but it's a fish. Got him. Got him. Come on, stay out of the weeds and be bigger. Come on. Stay up and out of those weeds and be bigger. He isn't much bigger. Oh my gosh, he's small. That's alright, I'll take whatever I can get today. There's two.
Another bite.
Really?
Yep.
Right now?
Yep.
Oh, get it again. He's on. He's on.
Yep.
The time. Yes.
Yep.
Big little guy.
Yep. Little guy.
Good 13, right?
I was gonna say 13.
There it is. Got him that time. Yep, he's there. For sure. I'm trying. There we go. That's not a bad one.